See. That's well.
Sky News has unrivaled correspondence in the field, so when news breaks, Israel says this is...
Attention all citizens of Washington. This is an emergency broadcast concerning SCP-4885, a dangerous anomalous humanoid resembling the character from the Where's Wally puzzle books. SCP-4885 is classified as Keter and is an infophysordous predator. Do not attempt to engage or describe its location if seen. Close your eyes and wait for Foundation teams. Stay indoors, avoid search and find images, and follow all protocols. Your safety depends on your vigilance. This message will repeat until the threat is neutralized. Remain calm. Do not share this information outside.
This is no place to have teeth sensitive to hot and cold. Unless you have a secret. New Colgate sensitive with potassium.
This is an important update from the Washington State Emergency Management Agency regarding SCP-4885. As of today, SCP-4885, the anomalous humanoid entity resembling the character known as Wally or Waldo, has been successfully contained. Containment protocols have been reinforced, and SCP-4885 is now secured within a high-security containment chamber. While the immediate threat has been neutralized, residents are advised to remain cautious and report any unusual activity or sightings to emergency services. Emergency response teams will continue monitoring the situation closely to prevent any future breaches. Thank you for your cooperation and vigilance during this critical event.